Okay, so I'm gonna show how to remove a taillight on a 2012 Volvo S60. Here it is, it's broken. And what I did, I just removed that carpet cover, just right there. It goes right there like that. I just pull this one, okay, and then I'm gonna remove the plug. It's right there. Okay, I don't know why it's so hard. Okay, right there. Now there's 3 bolts. Okay, so there's one there, right there, another one on the top, right there, and then one on the side here on the bottom, right there. So I'm gonna remove these. I just loosened them already. So okay, we have one. We have a second one, and then we have one on the top. It's 8mm. Okay, so you have to also remove these bolts on the side of the bumper. Okay. Okay, let's see. It is torque 25. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pull it. Pull the bumper. Oh, okay. Okay. So we have a bolt right there under the taillight. Wow, it couldn't be any worse. So the bumper has to be removed in order to replace the taillight. So yeah, I wish there would be another way, but it has to be at least that side has to be pulled. Okay, so I removed the side of the bumper, and right there I have to remove now the bracket, this one under the taillight, and this one. There's more 8mm bolts which have to be removed, and then we'll be able to pull the taillight. So there's yeah, here's the bolt that we need to remove. Okay, I'm gonna use a small ratchet to remove that bolt. So I'm trying to do it without removing the whole bumper. So just like that. We will have this one, and then I think we have one more. Yeah, we have to remove this bracket now. under the bumper on the front. Okay, so I inserted the new taillight. Now I'm gonna put the bracket in. All I did, I just put it in place. Now I'm gonna oh, I didn't, I guess. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now I'm gonna put the bolts. Okay, so basically I lowered the bumper in order to mount the bracket under the taillight. Okay, here, and this one right there. Okay, just like that. So we have this one. Now I'm gonna install the bigger one. Okay, just like that. Just right there. Okay, stay there. Okay, so we have one. Now we're missing one bolt for some reason. Okay, but I have to find it, but it's this one. And that's it then. There's only two for the side bracket, and then I'll be able to put the bumper back. Okay, so I put the brackets back and I'm ready to put the bumper in its place. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push it in, right, just like that, just like that. I'm gonna just like that. Okay, kind of sticks out, I don't know why. We see again. Oh, see, has to go up. This has to go up in there between the, just like that, right there. Yeah, so we have the bumper in. All I have to do now is put these screws back in place, and we'll be all set. It's not that difficult, just takes a little bit of time, but it can be done by anybody. I try to show everything step by step. Okay, so I'm gonna tie this and we'll be all set.